Hi guys, I'm Shahzad and welcome in this video. Today we're gonna discuss about the shorts. Let's suppose you have already generated the content before 1 year ago, 2 years or 5 years ago, and now you are going to upload the shorts from that particular video. You have two choices. You can also do that by using some kind of video editing software. You can download that particular video, or if you have already installed or already stored that particular video in your laptop, then definitely you have to edit that particular videos in 15 minutes or 16 minutes, and then you can upload your video as a short on YouTube. So this is the first way. If you have the applications, YouTube applications, you can also do that by using the YouTube applications. What you just need to open your applications. You just need to open your video and click on the short button. Once you click on the short button, then the system automatically give you the options and you have to select the range of the shot. Once you selected the range of the shot, then just click on the button. The system automatically crop the particular shot from the particular video, and then you can use the names and click on the button to upload that particular shot. That's it. Okay guys, so in this way you can create the shots from your existing content which is uploaded on your YouTube channel. So I hope guys you are enjoying our videos. If you think we are doing good, thumbs up. Feel free to share our courses and also the content on social networks, and please support us by clicking the subscribe button and pressing the bell icon so you never miss any updates. So thank you for watching.